Hello, this is Nitin Dahat with the EE Times. I'm talking now to Marco Mezger, who's the CEO of Neumonda Group. Marco, hello.
Hey, hello, hi Nitin, nice to meet you.
So we finally talk on camera because we meet at every show, and you're one of the greatest influencers in this industry.
Thank you.
Tell us a little bit about you and Neumonda Group.
Okay, sure. Well, Neumonda has basically three main areas, three companies which belong to it. One is Memphis Electronics, so where you are at the booth here right now. Then Intelligent Memory and Neumonda Technology. So Memphis Electronics is kind of a memory competence center. So we have 18, exactly. So we have 18 franchise lines where we are helping customers to design in, targeting mainly industrial, automotive, specialty market.
Okay.
Then we have Intelligent Memory, is a pure product company.
Yep.
They design memory modules for DRAM. They do flash products. We have also security products, which we have. So we cover all kind of areas from a DRAM component, DRAM module, flash component, and security. So this is kind of the product side where we work also with other distributors, not only with Memphis. And last but not least is Neumonda Technology. And Neumonda Technology, maybe some of the listeners, they remember there was Neumonda.
Yes.
Which unfortunately filed bankruptcy in 2008.
Yep.
But great company, great technology, and my business partner, Dr. Peter Pöchmüller, we together run this memory technology holding, Neumonda, and he is heading also Neumonda Technology, where we develop tester to test very high-speed components, especially DRAM, and also in the future we are in the process to test HBM to improve yields for IDMs.
Now, I think I spoke to Peter last year. We did an interview. Now you've gone to a stage where it's actually what stage is it at now?
Oh, we show it here. So you can see here at our booth, you can really see it live.
Yeah.
So we have the tiles ready, the chips are in. It's very interesting because with this technology, we can also help module houses for overclocking memory modules, because we would be able to test DRAM chips for a very high speed, not on a module level, but on a single component level. Today there's no solution for this, but we have it.
And that's important for things like gaming and that kind of...
Gaming and HBM.
HBM, okay.
Because HBM even more important, because there it's even higher speed, you have very complex manufacturing process, very high value, and so whatever you can improve there helps you on the bottom line for the IDMs.
And that's coming before the actual final chip, I guess.
Correct,
Yeah.
correct, yes, yes.
Okay. So tell us now, I mean, you do a lot of, I see a lot of your posts on LinkedIn.
Right.
You're actually quite active in the market. What are you seeing as big trends, both globally as well as we're here in Europe?
Right. So I think, yes, I live in Taiwan, I live in Taipei, and so for me, every day I'm very close to what's going on in the industry, right? So of course for my business it's very important, but overall all these industries are really connected. So if you look on a global level, you know all the statistics, World Semiconductor Trade Statistics, just last week released, best January ever. And again, if you look in regions, for example, if you look into Europe, we don't see this here. I mean, you live in the UK, you see the market, how it goes here. Yeah. You know, we have our headquarters here in Germany. And even like the associations like the FBDI or the DIMAS, they predict for this year like a stagnation of the revenue comparing to last year. So there is really the two different markets at the moment. One is AI related and one is non-AI related. Yeah. But on a global level, I would say there's one of your friends also from the UK, Malcolm Penn, Future Horizon.
Yes.
I love him. He has a very special view on the market. Yeah. But you know, he's more normally on the pessimistic side, so I like to listen to him. And he said...
Realistic or pessimistic? Malcolm,
both.
If you're watching.
Malcolm, realistic, pessimistic. No, but seriously, I had a very good chat with him, and you know, we talked about how the market was changing. And if we are looking at just on a pure ASP increase, this doesn't help us, you know, unit shipments. And unit shipments have been going up continuously, which gives some hope for a global or for a more broader recovery of the market. That's how we see it. For our companies, what we see is, for example, for Memphis on the memory side, we see a lot of the top guys, Samsung, Micron, SK Hynix, focusing very much on DDR5 technology, HBM, all these kind of newest technology, cutting edge, but really not so much anymore into legacy longevity products because they just can get more per wafer from the new technology.
Right.
And on legacy, they don't have so many, they have more competition. They have the Taiwanese as competition, they have the Chinese as competition. So they are not really supporting that much anymore. But for industrial customer can be a challenge because of volumes.
Yeah.
So the industrial customers are normally not the big consumer of the memory. And so that's normally where with Memphis or with intelligent memory, we try to help industrial customers and automotive to find solutions.
And would you say now we're at the bottom of the downturn then?
I would say if I look here in Europe, it cannot get any more worse. It shouldn't.
Yeah.
And frankly speaking, for our company, we have seen already in Q4 last year, after several quarters book-to-bill below 1, to be above 1.
Okay.
And that's like, we are also a member of the Franchise Distributor Association. And there they had last year, all the distributors together, 0.92, I think, in Q4. And also hoping that the trend continues to go up, because only then you see a change, right?
Okay.
If your book-to-bill remains below 1, it's a challenge.
So, Marco, what excites you at the moment about what you're doing?
What excites me is that suddenly I have customers asking specifically for emerging memories.
Okay.
Emerging, you are long in the industry. I'm talking about FerroRAM,
Yes.
I'm talking about MRAM, I talk about ReRAM.
Yes.
It's not that this is really emerging or new, right? The point is that suddenly it's mentioned in the context of AI. Everything what you mentioned today in the context of AI excites people,
Okay.
right?
Yes,
So
yes.
that's what you see. And this is the first time since a long time that I see there's more traction that also, let's say, customers who are thinking about edge AI, where you have like special purpose AI chips, they see the values of using this type of technology. For me, it's exciting times because in 25 years I'm in this industry, there was always DRAM. DRAM was always dominant. Then there came in the 80s, I think there was the flash industry coming. So flash is now maybe 40% of the memory market, 35, 40%. But all the rest, DRAM and NAND together is like 95, 96. So all these emerging have 4%.
Yeah.
And I think we need to see what memory technology can come. You remember there was Intel Optane, Micron 3D XPoint.
Yes.
They had this idea also before to combine the technologies. Even with the marketing power of such two big companies, was not possible. They couldn't push it through. Now maybe an industry trend can push it through because AI, data center, robots, but I believe in another wave of industrial AI, like edge AI.
Yes.
Every device will need this.
Yeah, I think that's what I'm hearing at the show here. It's all about the industrial, the edge,
Right.
edge AI. And,
Exactly.
Yeah.
And this is still probably 1 or 2 more years out. So I think at the moment after the data center hype for AI, we just spoke about it, it's more like the humanoid robots. Or you called it
Physical AI.
physical AI.
Well,
I like
that's what
that.
I heard from the Jensen's keynote.
That's NVIDIA, yeah, because they control the narrative at the
Exactly,
moment. Yeah,
yeah.
that's true. That's absolutely true.
Well, it's GTC next week, so I guess
Yes, but you're not going, so Sally is going.
Sally will be there. So, yeah, well, watch out for Sally's reports from GTC.
I'm sure she will also meet Ian Cuttress.
Well, good. Well, Marco, thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Nitin. Thank you.